Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is September 25th. We have got grain markets giving back a little bit of the rally that we've seen on Friday. So a little in the red here for corn and beans, but we'll see if we get some further selling pressure or profit taking. Right now, big story, I guess the only thing to really talk about right now for grains is the early harvest that we've been hearing. Better than expected yields in a lot of areas. And so it is the early stuff, and it's that first planted stuff that does look really good out there. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the numbers as they come in. South America weather still a little bit dry in Brazil. Argentina still looking a little wet, but overall not a big concern here as of yet. So once we get into October, that first part of October, that will be watched rather closely. But still, those issues do continue. And so for beans, we have seen some good export sales for beans. Will we continue to see these sales? Right now is usually our time here in the U.S. to make these sales and to get these better sales. So we'll see if that continues here as well this week. But very good sales last week. And that has to do with our prices here in the U.S. being a little bit cheaper than South America. So we'll see. Some of the other news out there, I guess, that we'll need to find out how the market is going to react this morning is going to be out of livestock. So cattle and hogs. The cattle on feed report on Friday coming in a little bit bearish, whereas everyone was expecting to see a friendlier numbers. Out there, we're seeing more of a bullish report. The big number that was watched was the placements expectation was at 97.1%. Came out at 103. All numbers were a little bigger than what they were expecting. So maybe we see a little bit lower start here out of cattle this morning at 8:30. Cold storage for cattle as well coming out bearish, increasing 50 million pounds over what they were looking at or what the expectation was there as well. For hogs, that cold storage report was more neutral to maybe even friendly for hogs. We saw the hogs slip back quite a bit late last week. Will we see that continue? We're at some pretty low numbers right now, but that cash market needs to hold. We've seen an absolute dive out of the cash market and over the recent weeks. Can we find some kind of support yet? Maybe this number will give the hogs a little bit better start here this morning as well. But keep an eye on that here as we go through. Some of the outside markets, the dollar is stronger today, giving commodities a little bit of a break and finding some red across all of these outside markets too. So we'll see as we go forward. Give us a call. We are here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. Thank you much.